Surfboard racks, padded with a hockey strap going through. So they're basically bolted to the back of the bike here with the tubing, and then the padded hoop going through like so. Just run your hockey strap through there, hook him on the front. Bit of a different mounting system. It's bolted into the front part there, and then also legs going down and bolted into the bike on both sides. So that's the custom frame. You can pick these up for just about any bike for about 400 to 500,000 rupiah, which is about 40 bucks, 50 bucks Australian. Or you can get them that come with the bike. Board's curved in towards the front wheel. Cable tie just going through there. Hockey strap on me. It's got to be one or the other. Cable tie, hockey strap, 100 mile/h tape. All the must-haves. Fins out. Ready to surf. Quick look at the surfboard racks on the bike here. We've got the hoop that goes through. Hook there, hockey strap. Same sort of setup on the back. Padded hook, hockey strap, bolted to the back of the bike, adjustable. Undo the eye and fold them in. They fold in and out at the front. Bolted to the bike here. Custom surfboard frame. Pretty cool.